So here's just like a very quick guide like how to use Umax app become hot. This app is going viral in the app stores in different countries. It's available on iPhone and it's available on Android. So yeah, it's also available in Google Play Store. However, updates are faster on iOS. So here, yeah, you can just open it up, and the idea is that you just upload your selfies, like front selfie, angle selfie, like side selfie, and then this app kind of uses some AI model to scan your face and give you some recommendations how to improve your appearance. Of course, it's like I wouldn't take this like too serious. This is AI model. This is mostly for fun. It's going viral on TikTok, so it's not like a medical advice or anything. But you can just give you some thoughts and ideas. So here you can just see, like for example, I upgraded, and here's just my some photo. I just like uploaded some random photo, and here I can see your rating. So this is what you're paying for. So it costs like $4 per week weekly subscription, so it's quite expensive. So you can just do that just for 1 week and then cancel it. But here you see like overall rating, potential, masculinity, skin quality, jawline, cheekbones, whatever. It's like different ratings. Then you can just see your analysis, like masculinity, face shape, eye type, cantal tilt, neutral. So all the different recommendations. And then what's the cool thing is that you can just actually see recommendation. So for example, like groom your eyebrows, get rid of acne, and then if you tap on it, you will see more details around it, how it works. So that's basically the idea. Something like that. That's the idea. So that's what you pay for, but you need to know that like you have only one scan per week. If you want to get additional scans, you need to do a one-time fee for that additional scan here. So only one scan per week, and it's like $4 or something in US. In Europe is different pricing. And then also you have library where you can just read more things here. So something like that. And then here you just see this. Something like that. And so that's basically the idea. And then also you have that. So it's like very basic app, still in development. There isn't much going on, but it does a job, and it's quite popular. As I said, it's already on Android, Google Play Store. So you just decide if you want to try it out, as I did, and then you can just always go to your subscriptions and then just go and cancel it out. There is no free trial. So that it is.